7. I used to put googly eyes on my then girlfriend while she slept and wait for her to find them the next day and see if I could be so strategic that she'd go the whole day at work and not find some. I succeeded. One night I put a bigger one on her forehead after she dozed off, half used and would come off very easily so the glue and suction wouldn't have left a mark, and went to brush my teeth. Few minutes later she came in, looks in the mirror, stares and very groggily and dryly said, "Why is there a googly eye on my head?" I laughed for a good several minutes straight. 8. Our stuffed animals have voices and personalities and very complex interpersonal relationships. For example, Manny the manatee is always up to something illegal. 9. We do this thing where I say something and then she tells me I'm wrong.